Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a custom PDF file using the ILovePDF app. Just open the app and go to the tools where you can find the Create PDF button. Tap on it and now you can see your template which you can easily edit, customize. You can write the number of the pages you want to have. You can select the page size as well. You can change the color of the pages. You can even change the orientation, and if you would like to, you can use templates too. When you are ready, then click on the red button and your PDF is being created, and now you can easily edit it. For example, write on it with your handwriting, or you can even add the text. And when you are finished with this, then just click on this go to folder button and you will find your document here. You can share it or edit or do whatever you would like to with it basically. I hope it will be useful for you and have a nice day.